Hello everyone! Welcome back again. And in today's lesson, we're going to talk about one of the most important tenses in English, the present simple tense. If you're a beginner or you just want to revise, this video is perfect for you. So let's start. So, what is the present simple tense? We use the present simple when we talk about facts, things that are always true. Habits, things we do regularly. Routines, daily activities. Now, let's look at many examples. 1. Facts and general truths. 1. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. 2. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. 3. The earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun. 4. Plants need sunlight to grow. Plants need sunlight to grow. 5. Ice melts in warm air. Ice melts in warm air. 6. Fish live in water. Fish live in water. 7. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. 8. Sugar tastes sweet. Sugar tastes sweet. 9. A day has 24 hours. A day has 24 hours. 10. A week has 7 days. A week has 7 days. 11. Light travels faster than sound. Light travels faster than sound. 12. The moon shines at night. The moon shines at night. 13. Fire burns things. Fire burns things. 14. Apples grow on trees. Apples grow on trees. 15. The human body has 206 bones. The human body has 206 bones. 2. Habits and daily routines. 16. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. 17. She brushes her teeth twice a day. She brushes her teeth twice a day. 18. He drinks coffee in the morning. He drinks coffee in the morning. 19. We go to school by bus. We go to school by bus. 20. They play football every Sunday. They play football every Sunday. 21. My father reads the newspaper daily. My father reads the newspaper daily. 22. She watches TV in the evening. She watches TV in the evening. 23. I do my homework after school. I do my homework after school. 24. He visits his grandparents every week. He visits his grandparents every week. 25. We eat dinner at 8 p.m. We eat dinner at 8 p.m. 26. She listens to music before sleep. She listens to music before sleep. 27. I check my phone in the morning. I check my phone in the morning. 28. They go to the gym regularly. They go to the gym regularly. 29. He walks his dog in the park. He walks his dog in the park. 30. We study English together. We study English together. General statements and preferences. 31. I like chocolate. I like chocolate. 32. She loves animals. She loves animals. 33. He enjoys reading books. He enjoys reading books. 34. We prefer tea to coffee. We prefer tea to coffee. 35. They want to learn English. They want to learn English. 36. I need a new notebook. I need a new notebook. 37. She has 2 brothers. She has 2 brothers. 38. He lives in a small town. He lives in a small town. 39. We believe in hard work. We believe in hard work. 40. They speak Hindi at home. They speak Hindi at home. 41. I remember your name. I remember your name. 42. She knows the answer. She knows the answer. 43. He owns a red car. He owns a red car. 44. We think English is easy. We think English is easy. 45. They work in a big company. They work in a big company. For negative sentences. 46. I don't like cold weather. I don't like cold weather. 47. She doesn't eat meat. She doesn't eat meat. 48. He doesn't watch horror movies. He doesn't watch horror movies. 49. We don't go to school on Sunday. We don't go to school on Sunday. 50. They don't speak French. They don't speak French. 51. I don't drink tea. I don't drink tea. 52. She doesn't play video games. She doesn't play video games. 53. He doesn't work on weekends. He doesn't work on weekends. 54. We don't eat junk food. We don't eat junk food. 55. They don't live near here. They don't live near here. 5 questions. 56. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? 57. Does she speak English? Does she speak English? 58. Does he go to the gym? Does he go to the gym? 59. Do they play cricket? Do they play cricket? 60. Do we need a ticket? Do we need a ticket? 61. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. 62. No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you understand the present simple tense better now. Practice these sentences every day, and you will improve fast. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to learn English. Gain knowledge. Comment below what you want to learn next. I would love to help you. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next lesson. Bye.